Hey everybody, Mountain Grandma here. Thank you so much for coming to our channel. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of our video for DIY pain oil for your dogs. In part 1, I shared the herbs that I'm going to be using, and I also did another video for how to infuse herbs so that you can make your own herbal infused oil. But first, a disclaimer. I'm not a veterinarian, I'm not a doctor. This information is for educational purposes only, and I'm not responsible for the choices you make in treating your dog. Now let's get started. So I selected herbs that were going to achieve all of these goals that we had for the pain oil. And I also made sure that the herbs were going to be safe for the dog in case she licked the area, because her arthritic pain is in her front ankle, if you will, of her paw. Step 1, select a container. Here I'm using a 2-ounce bottle. So then I start with the main herb oil that I'm using in this mix, which is Solomon seal root, and you can see I'm filling this halfway up. After this, I'm going to add some other herbs in, and I'll show those here. I'm doing equal parts of those to complete the blend. Once I have all of these mixed together, just the herbal infused oils, then I'm going to add a essential oil. And the essential oil that I chose to add was ginger. And the reason that I selected ginger is because the dogs really tolerate ginger well, and if they ingest it. And so I know she's going to lick her little ankle there. I don't want her to get sick. And ginger is also very warming and healing, so it's perfect. So this is the selections that I use for this whole blend. I hope you all found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you all. And I will have the links to the other videos that I mentioned in the description box. Thanks so much. And again, remember everybody, and everything going on in this world, make sure you all keep your joy. See you in the next one.